Well, talking about the homework, about the topic war and technology, I present two questions. The first is, are technology and war capable of exterminating humanity? I think yes, because the human in a social or political way, they always sought power. Um, it means the technology can help us with many things, but also the technology can exterminate humanity. Sorry. Um, for example, with a kind of killer robots or machines, uh, they can execute commands or something like that in a war, inside of a war, or the government or the military can use drones or incorporate bullets or weapons in robots or drones. Now in the actually, I think is a kind of common use the drones to explorate and maybe research information in different bands, talking about any military situation. They use a lot of technology now, in the same with the kind of machines that they use, the tanks and the weapons or the fire weapons. Also, it's not to know that we're currently use that with linked with the weapons or and technology. They are really linked. And the second is the hidden message of the film, the video, and the article. Okay, that it simple demonstrates how the human being consumes and sells weapons as if they were candy in a store, something like that. He even he even exhibit them, for example, in a stock or something like that. It's the same to the video in YouTube in a fair, a kind of fair of weapons. Also, that massive extermination can be carried out with this, as if we were a plague or on the earth. Uh, this is more a reference of the Netflix movie, and also in a part of the article, they mention a lot of the relation of the war and the technology, more with the drones and different things like that. And also, I know that now in the currently world exists a kind of relation with the biological weapons, technological warfare, kind of that in this time.